So in today's video, I'm filming a little bit of a watch me work. I will be doing my own nails. I know it's been a minute since I've done any nail content on my channel. So if you are someone who followed this channel because of the nail content, I am going to be bringing back more of that type of content. So I hope you do enjoy this video. But right now I'm just going in my little nail drawers and I'm picking out my supplies. Things need to be organized here, you all. I will not lie, but that will be another video. I definitely want to thank Dashboard Beauty for sending me over this wonderful acrylic brush. It is a Kolinsky brush, and if you know, Kolinskys are the way to go. This is in the size 12. As you can see, the handle, the craftsmanship, this is a very well made brush, and this is essential in having a smooth acrylic application. I will be applying acrylic to two of my nails because I don't have the proper jelly tip sizes for them. So for my thumbs, I will be doing acrylic. But yes, I will leave a link in my description box if you are interested in checking out this brush. Please be sure to check there and check out Dashboard Beauty. Again, I want to thank them for sending over this brush, and you will see later in this video how I work with this brush and the acrylic. So yes, keep watching. But yes, as this is a watch me work and not a tutorial, I will go ahead and let you all watch. I will pop in from time to time. But yes, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. For this video, I did want to spend a little bit more time just on showing the design element of this look. Definitely, if you want to see a more detailed video on gel application, leave me a comment below and a thumbs up on this video, and I definitely will get that out to you all. If you're interested in seeing more acrylic style videos, I do have a few on the channel already, but I will also do some new content if you would like to see it. So just let me know in the comments below. For this video, I wanted to do an aura style nail design. I didn't quite get it. I think I needed to, I'm not even sure, but it came out close enough for me. It is abstract. I think it was very, very pretty, and I do like it. So I just wanted to spend a little time showing how I got there, the layering process with the polish and everything like that. But yes, this is the look, and I really actually love how it turned out. It wasn't perfect, but it gave me what it needed to give. So yeah. character breaker.